स्मार्ट सिटी वरवीं पणजे सुरू आशिल्ल्या कामाची पणजेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान पळोवणी केली। हे काम मुखेलपणान पणजेतली हुंवार समस्या सोडोवपा खातीर आशिल्ल्याचें कळटा। केंद्र सरकारान राज्याक दिल्ल्या मार्गदर्शक सुचोवण्या उपरांत आमी हातांत घेतिल्ले प्रकल्प जून 2023 मेरेन पुराय करतले अशें मोन्सेरात सांगता। तशेंच पणजेच्या येरादारी गचमुड्डे विशीं विचारल्या उपरांत येरादारी खात्यान पणजेत गचमुड्डेच्या जाग्यांचेर पुलीस कर्मचारी तैनात करचे अशी मागणी लेगीत मोन्सेरातान ह्या वेळार केली।
Any lapses?
Yeah, so now before this we had gone to that Bosle Square now. So now there are two projects that are going on simultaneously. One is the universal footpath and one is the sewage chambers that they are laying in, sewage line and everything. So now the only issues we see now are basically a coordination problem between the departments. This we should sort out. And there was one point that was left out of the tender. So that also we need to get rectified and ask for additional funds from the government. So we are waiting to get that resolved within the next few days also. See now the most important thing about this project, no, it is meant to solve our flooding issue in Panjim. So now all the areas that we have taken up, we have these old Portuguese drains. Now there are 6 big Portuguese drains that are there. Now what we want to do is we want to break open the roads and fix all of these old Portuguese drains to increase flow of water to the thing. So we are hoping that water stagnation all doesn't happen on 18 June 11. It floods all the time, aside from high tide. So we want to take that up. Apart from this, there are normal teething issues that we have during the thing. So that's why we called for inspection of all of sewage department. Tomorrow we're asking collector also to have a joint meeting so we can properly lay out any issues that are there. Yeah, June of next year is the deadline. Everything has to be done within. So this now we've added all of the main roads. Everything from DB Road now till, like, not DB Road, but before DB Road till here. Now there was one more thing also that we've taken up. We raised an issue now that the other Vedya Road also, the sewage line is not there. I think residents had asked for for the sewage connection. So that also we have asked the sewage department to incorporate into their thing. So they said they'll do that for us also now. Now cost overrun, they will give us an estimate now of what increase is. Both projects are smart city. So they are 70 crores and another 60 crores, something like that. See now that also we are trying to coordinate with traffic police. They should be deploying their people all over. Now we have raised the issue with them multiple times also. We will go speak to them again. But this is a traffic department. We are trying to get the contractors to do their jobs as fast as they can. But unless traffic steps up and starts doing their job also, now it will be very difficult for us to think. But we will continue having meetings with them and seeing what they can do with it. So that again was, we had to start everything. Central government was going to take back all of the funds. So now within the next 6 to 8 months, everything should be done. June is our set deadline for everything. June, July is a set month for set deadline for all of the projects. There can be no delay. This has been told by the center to the state also now. So all of the projects will start. So whatever teething issues there are, we will sort out within say the next couple of weeks, and then everything will proceed smoothly.